in a way refusing to release their players for COSAFA and for CHAN. If you look at the CAF calendar, if you look at the PSL calendar, that on its own becomes a bit of a challenge. But maybe in us participating in this type of tournaments and doing well, maybe one day people will understand that wearing the national team colors, it's more important than anything to any footballer. And like now we have these ones that are going to the CHAN tournament, and they are all looking forward to do well. They are all looking forward to win the tournament if everything goes well for them. So maybe the PSL, CAF, SAFA will end up around the same table to have a schedule that accommodates players to be in the national team, to play for COSAFA or to play for CHAN.
And what has it done, this wave of patriotism, that when it starts at Bafana level, where the Bafana and South Africa jersey, there's pride in wearing it? What has it done in terms of a tournament that would have been difficult to get players to and get them fired up, to get them in a point where now everyone playing for this country, there's a lot of pride and desire?
I think in terms of patriotism, the last time I was with Bafana Bafana as an assistant and as a coach, every South African wants to play for Bafana Bafana at whatever level. Whether it's under 17, whether it's under 15, whether it's under 20, everybody wants to represent his country. But like I said, maybe if we can look deeper into the CAF schedule versus that of PSL, so that everybody can be eligible and be made available for selection. Because like now, the players that we have in this camp is because they want to play for the national team. You get a call up, you are not attached to any team, but you report for camp is because you want to play for your country. You want to do well for your country. So I think maybe over time, as difficult as it is, maybe over time we'll end up sitting around the same table, and then we'll be looking into the CAF schedule versus that of SAFA versus that one of PSL. Be satisfied and happy and celebrate at the end of this tournament, and we are declared the champions. But as of now, I think these are small building blocks that we are working on, and hopefully by the time we get to the first game, everybody will be on the same page, and that's when we'll be able to coach and help our players during the tournament, and hopefully we'll end up celebrating at the end of on the 30th of August.
For your soccer updates, visit www.Ngcobo2010 Sharp Eye.com.